Hi guys, it's Tinashe from CloudVault, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a slider for your website using Slider Revolution. Yeah, so when you log on to your website on the default admin page, you'll come up to a dashboard similar to this one, and you will need to scroll down to where it says Slider Revolution. Then you click on Slider Revolution, and then maybe these are the sliders that I've already created for other pages. So what you want to do is you want to add a new slider. Yeah, so you click on new slider, and then you get these slider settings that you need to configure before you make your slider. So here, these we're just going to keep it default slider. The name is demo. And then I'm just going to keep it demo here, and then I want to create a standard slider. I don't want to create a hero scene or a carousel or slider. And then what I want to do here is I want to create a full width slider, so I'm just going to select that, and then I'll keep these settings as is. Yeah, that's pretty much it, and then I'm going to save. Alright, so when I save, it takes me to the page where you start building your slider, and then this is the slide one that we're editing right now. So what you need to do is main background. You can set the main background, you can set the general settings, thumbnail settings, slider animations, link in SEO. You can do it all here. So what I want to do is I want to set a main background. Okay, just before we do that, this is the slider, what the slider looks like right now. So that's pretty much it. So what you need to do is you need to, since I want to use an image, I'm going to click here. If you wanted to use a video from YouTube as your background, you can use that. You can just click on YouTube video, and then what you need to do is you need to put your ID for the video, or Vimeo video. I mean, you can just do all that. So I'm going to put a background image here, and I'm going to pick it from the media library. So what you need to do is you need to select an image from the media library. If you don't want to use an image that's already existing, you can upload. You can just click here, and then you can browse the files from your computer. So I'm just going to cancel that, since I want to use an image that's already uploaded on the website. So I'm just going to click on this one, and then I'm going to click on insert. So as you can see, the picture has been set as the background. And then what Slider Revolution enables you to do is it enables you to build layers on the website. Yeah, so what you need to do next is I want to create a heading. So I'm just going to type in here, this is heading, yeah, just for illustration purposes, and then I'm just going to accept that. And then I want the font for this one to become 60, and then I want the font weight to be 700, and then I want to be the color to be red, but then you can even choose it to say blue, green, and stuff. But I just want to keep this one red. Okay, so I'm just going to say this is a heading, and then you can move around whereby you want your layer to appear on the website. So I'm just going to keep this here, and then I'm going to increase the font size for this one to 80. Yeah, that's a little bit more bold. And then I'm going to add a new layer, and then I'm just going to say this is a complimentary heading to support my main heading text. Yeah, so this could be something meaningful and to write here, but then I'm just going to put it as an example. And then you can do that. You can add even a button, say I want to use this kind of button here, then you drag it here down, or maybe here. If you want to put it here, you can just put it here. You can drag it pretty much any way that you want it to appear on, and then you can type what you want to. If you want people to go to the contact us page, click on right contact us. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you hit enter. If you want to add an audio, you can do that. If you want to add a shape, an object, you can do pretty much everything with the slider. So yeah, and you can also edit the styles of the button. So as you can see, the background is black. I'm just going to choose green on that one. Then you see that it's reflect green. You can even change the font color on the button to say you want it to be red, and then it becomes red. You can even set the behavior of the button on hover, on toggle. So this is the idle mode. I mean on hover versus idle. So this is the hover mode, and then this is the idle mode. So you can as well change the hover mode to say I want the background to be yellow. Yeah. And then I want the font to be white. Yeah. And then so when you put back on idle and then you hover over the button, you can see that the changes that you have made, that they are now effective on the slider. So if you're satisfied with the slider, then you can just click on publish and then you just save. Yeah. So just to make it interesting, okay, yeah, our slide has been updated. So just to make it interesting, I'm just going to add a new slide. What you can do is you can always duplicate this one and then you change the characters on the first slide that you put in, then you put the new characters. I always encourage this because it allows you to maintain consistency throughout your sliders. But if you like to do sliders that look differently, yeah, probably you can just click on add new slide and then you just come up with something else different from what you did on the previous slide. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to duplicate slide, and then this is the slide 2. So this is the slide that's going to appear on the second layer of the slide. So I'm just going to change the background image, and then I'm just going to put this image, and then I'm going to insert here, and then I'm just going to change these texts, and then this is a demo. Then I'm going to take that, and then I'm going to change the color to yellow. Yeah, to yellow. Then you need to accept. And then I'm just going to change this text to I don't like writing. Then yeah, I'm just going to change this to red. And then I'm just going to change my pattern here, the style, the background to white. I like white. Yeah. So yeah, this is pretty much it. This is how you make a slider. So I'm going to save that. Yeah. So in order to put your to put your slider on a page, you need to know its shortcode. Yeah. So this is the shortcode here. If you copy this shortcode and then you say copy, and then you come here to pages and say I'm going to add a new page just for illustration. Example slide. And then I'm not going. Okay, I'm just going to use this phantom text editor for this one. So I'm just going to click here, and then this is where it tells me to paste, and then I'm going to paste here, slider, and then I'm just going to leave everything as is, and then I'm going to save element, and then I'm going to publish. So let's take a look at how our page looks like. Okay. So there we have it. Unfortunately, this is the stuff that's appearing on our page, is the header content. So this is our slider that we just made, slider revolution. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is pretty much the stuff that you want to know about that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Or maybe we can just take things to the visual look and then remove everything, just paste in the shortcode, and then we click on update, and let's refresh the page and see how it looks like. Okay, this is our refreshed page and this is our slide. So probably if you wanted to replace it on another page, you can just do so. Maybe another slide installed on another page, you can just copy the text of the new slide and then you just paste it inside, and then your slider will be uploaded and updated. Yeah. So thanks for watching. This is pretty much it. Or maybe just for demo purposes, you might just want to know how to edit the current slider that you have. So I'm just going to do that here. I'm just going to click on slider revolution. Then I'm going to click on, okay, this is the slider that we made just a moment ago. So I'm just going to click on that, and then the slider settings are already configured. So I'm just going to change this to that, that to that, and then I'm going to change some font weight to 45 here. And then I'm just going to change here to here, here to here, and then I'm just going to set that. Yeah. So when I refresh my example page, this is what you see. We've just updated, and this is the new stuff that's appearing right now. Yeah, so that's all you need to know. Happy editing of your sliders. Thanks for watching.